want to demonstrate how to upload a file to app.minitab.com that you're going to be using for your mini projects throughout um, Business 3000 or Stat 2401. So you need to navigate to the course. And the first place where you really need to do that is on Mini Project 1. So I'm navigating to Mini Project 1, and the different data sets come in different files. They can come in an Excel format, or they can come already pre-formatted for Minitab. The supply chain data set that we use in Business 3000 is in an Excel format. So the first thing I'm going to do is download that data set. So I'm going to click on the data set, and I'm going to save it, and I'm going to save it to my desktop so that I know where it's located. And it's on my desktop. So then I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to minimize it for just a minute, and then I'm going to open app.minitab.com, which I've already downloaded to my desktop for access. Okay, so I have it open. I cannot upload the Excel file directly, but I can copy and paste. So I'm going to reopen the um, supply chain Excel file, and in the upper left hand corner where your rows and columns meet, I'm going to put my mouse and I'm going to click so that the entire spreadsheet is highlighted, and then I'm going to copy. So I have copied the entire spreadsheet. I'm going back to Minitab, and I'm going to put the mouse in the gray area under C1, and I am going to paste. Now, because this is such a large file, it does take a minute for it to paste, and it indicates that you've got a lot that you're pasting. You just tell it to continue. And again, because it's such a large file, it's going to take a minute for it to paste. Now, the challenge is, unless you choose to use OneDrive or Google Drive to save it, you do have to upload this file every time you need or want to use it. Okay, so you can save on OneDrive or Google Drive should you choose to do so. Or if you continue without autosave, then you're going to have to upload it every time. But now you have your entire spreadsheet pasted into Minitab, and you can begin to do whatever analyses you need. So again, I'm going to walk through that quickly. Again, you go to your data set. I select it, download it to a place where I can remember I'm using my desktop. I open the file. I can even go ahead and copy it should I choose to do so. Again, the mouse goes in the corner where the rows and the columns meet. It highlights the entire file. I click copy, and then I go out to Minitab. If I get a new worksheet, put the mouse under the gray area under C1 and tell it to paste. Okay, so that's how you upload an Excel file. And guys, again, unless you choose to use Microsoft OneDrive or Google Drive to save it, you will have to upload it every time you need and or want to use this particular data set. And again, it takes a minute for it to upload because it is such a large file. It's thinking about it. Again, I usually continue without autosave. You can choose to use OneDrive if you so choose, or Google Drive. And there's your spreadsheet.